Whatever floats your boat. Hello everybody, hi, it is Danai. Welcome to this video. Welcome if you're new and welcome if you are a returning subscriber. Thank you both for clicking on this video. Today's topic it is how to get organized and how to get things done. A very important factor to getting things done is that you want to get things done. And if your desk, your workspace, your office is a cluttery mess, then chances are that you do not want to spend the next 3, 6, 8 hours working there. So what you need to do, clean your desk. Yeah, you guessed it. So start by taking every item that is on your desk and putting them in its place. Leftover coffee mugs from yesterday to the sink, random pencils and pens to the pencil case, electrical bills to the fridge. So basically just clean up your space. Like I said in my How to Declutter and Organize video, it is good to have a dedicated assigned spot for all of your items. That way you can find things easily when you're looking for them, and in our case today you can organize your space and make it tidy. Now that you have a clean desk, let's take a pen and a paper and let's start writing. Things you have to do for work, things you have to do for your personal life, and things you enjoy doing. You can also write it on your phone or your computer, but for me, personally, I like the feeling of pen and paper. I feel that there's a certain mind-eye-hand connection that happens when you are writing things down. You remember them, it makes them real and tangible. So I like writing things down, but you can use your phone or your computer. Whatever floats your boat. Next, you take those things that you wrote and you transfer them in a calendar. Like I said before, I like writing, so I have my notebook where I have my calendar there and I write those things down. But if you would like to go digital, I suggest that you take your computer and not your phone. There's a certain work-related feeling that comes out when you're writing things on the computer. I don't know what it is, but I feel it. With the computer, you can see the calendar better and you can visualize what you need to do and when you need to do that, and you can see if you have put many things for a week or for a day. While on your phone you get very easily distracted, what with the notifications and the fact that all the apps are just a swipe away. And yes, if you're gonna go digital, use your computer. Not that on the computer you cannot get distracted, God forbid, but it is easier on your phone. So, as I was saying, you take your calendar and you fill in your slots for your day or your week. Remember, very important note, don't put too many things. You're not gonna do any of them and you're gonna get overwhelmed, and that defeats the purpose of this exercise. The point is to spread it out and see what you have to do and organize yourself in a way that you can finish your work, finish your personal life stuff, and have some time for you to enjoy. Very important to remember is to put some playtime and to put literally playtime and to put some time for yourself and things that you enjoy doing. Otherwise, you lost the game. So what you can do is, for example, put 3 hours of work and then have 1 hour of a break where you can have lunch or take your dog for a walk or exercise, whatever you want to do, and then 3 hours of work again. So in that case, you've worked and you have taken a break. Very important to remember to take a break. What I will suggest is that you, when you plan out your week, have one day where you do nothing work-related. Nothing. Leave the phone and the social media and the distractions and everything away. Just take one day for you. And you'll see how well this schedule will start to fall into place, and the more time you take for yourself while working, the more rewards you're gonna get, because you're gonna feel good for yourself, you're being productive. And you take this time for yourself. So I think that's important. And that was it. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in with me today. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and if you have the time and you would like to, you could check my second channel where I upload covers and music. I haven't been very active there for the past month, but I got my guitar and now I'm going to get more active there. So I will see you on the next one. Bye. Like I said in my how to declutter, that's gonna go in the end.